How to check the Snapchat friends history. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To check your Snapchat friends history such as interactions, saved chats or snaps, follow these simple steps. First thing first, you can check for the saved chats. To do so, head over to Snapchat and tap on the chat screen. Select the conversation and then scroll through the chat. This way you can view your saved messages which is highlighted in gray. Saved messages will remain visible until it has been unsaved manually. Another option would be to check for the recent snaps. However, remember that snaps will disappear after being viewed unless it is saved or screenshotted. Another option would be going to memories or the shared snap. For this, you can tap on the username and check for the saved chats or snaps by scrolling down. However, if you have not saved it here, another way to get it would be head back to the previous page, tap on the Bitmoji, go to gear icon and scroll down to My Data. This way you'll have to request your data and download the file when it's ready. Then after you can open the file to view interaction history including the chat logs and snap activity as well. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.